What's good, YouTube? I want to show you this cool mastering plugin. You can download it for free. But anyways, I'm going to play the track without it, and what I did was I just put it on the default. I hardly changed it or hardly played with the knobs or anything like that. And play it now. Listen to how it sounds without it. Now I'm going to click it on here. Yeah, so go ahead, check out this free plugin, and hopefully this helps. If you like this, comment or subscribe, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Alright, I'm out.